Hi everyone, it's Hope here from Sundance Mazda, and today I'm going to be showing you how our automatic window wipers work. How to turn them on, off, how to make them more sensitive, less sensitive. We do get a lot of inquiries about how this function works, so today I'm going to show you just how easy it actually is. Okay, so I'm currently sitting in a 2021 Mazda 3. However, this will work in any of our Mazda vehicles that have the automatic window wipers. So I'm just going to look on the right hand side of the steering wheel and you will see that we have our window wiper options right here. And you'll see that there's an auto in the middle, so that will just let us know that it does have the automatic window wipers. So this little line right here is going to be our least sensitive, and this one up here is going to be our most sensitive. So if the rain is splashing on the window wipers, that is going to let us know how fast and how sensitive we want them to be. I like to keep mine somewhere in the middle, about there. And then that way it's not too sensitive, but it does catch it. Now, say for instance, you do not want your window wipers on at all, just go down to your settings and you will just go into vehicle settings right there, and you will have your rain sensing wiper option right there, and you just push down on your Mazda Connect and it will turn them off. So that is honestly how easy it is to adjust the sensitivity on your rain sensing wipers, or if you want to turn them off completely, just how simple that actually is. If you do have any questions though, we are more than happy to help, and you can give us a call here at Sundance Mazda, 780-454-0422. Thanks, bye!